Soundcore has announced two new premium wireless earbuds at Anker Day 2026 in New York, and this time, the company is leaning heavily into AI features alongside the usual audio upgrades. The new Liberty 5 Pro and Liberty 5 Pro Max are both powered by Soundcore's new in-house Thus AI chip, which the company claims delivers up to 150 times more processing power compared to the previous generation. That extra performance is being used for things like voice processing, adaptive noise cancellation, and some on-device AI features. Both earbuds use 9.2mm wallpaper diaphragm drivers and support Dolby Atmos audio. They also come equipped with an 8-microphone setup designed to improve voice pickup during calls. According to Soundcore, the earbuds even received a Guinness World Record recognition for speech quality during phone calls, although real-world performance will obviously matter more than the title itself. A lot of the core features are shared between the two models. That includes adaptive ANC 4.0, HearID 5.0 sound personalization, multipoint connectivity, IP55 protection, and battery life rated at around 6.5 hours with ANC enabled or up to 28 hours with a charging case. The standard Soundcore Liberty 5 Pro model starts at $169.99 and includes a small touch screen built into the charging case. Users can adjust ANC settings and access quick controls directly from the case itself without opening the app. The more expensive Soundcore Liberty 5 Pro Max pushes things further, with a much larger 1.78-inch AMOLED touch screen on the case. Beyond music controls and ANC adjustments, the case can also run an AI-powered voice recording feature. Users can apparently double-tap the case to record meetings or lectures, after which the system generates transcripts and summaries directly on-device without needing an internet connection. Soundcore says the case can store up to 12 hours of recordings locally. Alongside the earbuds, the company also introduced something called ViveOS, a new AI-focused layer inside the Soundcore app that includes a voice assistant named Anker. Overall, Soundcore seems to be trying to position the Liberty 5 series as more than just another pair of ANC earbuds. Between the built-in displays, AI note-taking tools, and strong focus on call quality, the company is clearly targeting users who want productivity-style features alongside premium audio.